Today I'm going to talk to you about shaming, blaming, and excuse making. I think we're all guilty of that. I know that I am. I'm going to share with you a couple of things that I think are necessary. The first one is you need to change your response to events. E plus R equals O, event plus response equals outcome. If you don't like the outcome, you have to change your response. That's the only way you're going to get a different outcome. The second aspect of blaming, shaming, and complaining is that we often tell the wrong person. We also complain to the wrong person. If there is a person involved, by talking to them, you can come out with a resolution which would then change your reaction or your response. Talking to the wrong person doesn't get you anywhere. It just perpetuates the problem. So you need to communicate a request in order to get what you want. So talk to the right person whenever you are upset or you need something changed. A third concept is that you need to take responsibility for every single action that you have. And you also need to pay attention to yellow alerts. Now, what is a yellow alert? Well, in life, we are all given tiny alerts that help us to change our course. If a husband comes home with lipstick on his collar, a wife notices it and doesn't say anything about it, it won't be long before the divorce decree is claimed. So you need to pay attention to the yellow alerts. If someone in your office says that they've just fallen in love with someone who lives in Australia, and you wish her well and you think everything is great, and then the next thing she does is she complains about the cold in Chicago and how she just really is feeling unsettled. These are all yellow alerts because it won't be a surprise when she hands in her quitting notice, okay, her termination notice. She's going to move to Australia, and all the yellow alerts that came along were unheeded. So, to recap, you need to change your response for things that you want. You need to speak to the right person, make your request logical and known to the right person, and pay attention to the yellow alerts. These are all things that will help you stop shaming, blaming, and complaining. What is, is. You've never seen an old lady complaining about gravity, have you? Because gravity is. And when you complain, it means that you have a reference point of something that you would prefer. That puts the ball back in your lap. If you would prefer something else, go for it. That's all I have to say today. I hope you have a great day. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.